Hello everyone, hope you're all fine. Welcome to my kitchen by Nana. I also want to welcome all the new subscribers to this family. It's been ages and I've missed you all. I'm sure you've also missed me. On our menu today is goat intestines. For those that have never seen goat intestines, this is how they look like. Very small, but trust me, very tasty. I'm going to first give them a very nice wash until the water is clear. In fact, wash the intestines until your hands are tired of washing, because they tend to be very slimy and dirty, so you have to wash them until the sliminess has reduced. Why I love these intestines is because they are very healthy. The goat intestines are rich in vitamins like vitamin B and folate. They're also rich in minerals like iron, magnesium and zinc. So try as much as possible to include them in your diet. May not be daily, but at least just once in a while, add them to your diet. I'm using a small stick to remove all the mucus-like substance from this intestine. After putting it in a stick, you remove it, then you pull out the mucus-like substance. It will just automatically come out. I braided the other intestines that look like this one because the skin is very light and I wanted it to be a little bit thick, so I braided them together so that they become a little bit thick. For those that haven't yet subscribed to my kitchen by Nana, hit the subscribe button, it's just down below. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you whenever I upload any new videos. Also leave your comments behind because feedback is very important to me. So I've just placed the intestines in a saucepan with very little water. I've added some turmeric and I'm going to add some salt for taste, and I let them boil until all the water is dissolved. For the fresh ingredients, I'm going to use ginger garlic paste, onions, carrots, spring onions, green pepper and tomatoes. I won't be adding any oil to the intestines because they have a lot of fat which will produce its own oil. Cook together with the onions until they start changing color, then add the ginger garlic paste together with the spring onions. So I'm adding the green capsicums and I'm going to fry them together with the intestines. for a few seconds. For the dry ingredients, I'm using red chili, paprika, garam masala, and I'll also add 2 beef cubes. Give the intestines a very nice stir and fry them with the spices and the ingredients for some minutes because we want them to have the taste. So I'm adding some little salt because I'm going to add water to the intestines to make soup, and I want the soup to come out tasty. Put little salt because remember initially we also put some little salt in the intestines when they were boiling. I'm now adding the carrots and the tomatoes, and I'm going to cook them together with the intestines until the tomatoes are very soft and tender. You don't have to be worried about eating these intestines because goat meat is leaner than other red meats, so it is healthier than other red meats. So please eat the intestines, they are very healthy for you. At this point I'm adding some water to the intestines because I need the soup. You put the soup depending on the number of people that are going to eat the intestine. I've also added some bay leaves for flavor. We want our soup to be very tasty and flavorful. The intestines are almost ready and they look very yummy. You should try this out. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to My Kitchen by Nana. Have a lovely day.